Hello. All right. Let's continue on lecture 2. Previously, we have learned on basic quality. So now let's learn on total quality management TQM. Have you guys heard about TQM before? I'm sure you do. TQM has been a buzzword phrase since 1980s. The concept and principles in TQM, though simple, seem to be creeping back into existence by bits and pieces through the evolution of the ISO 9001, which is Management Quality System Standard. Companies who have implemented TQM include Ford, Philips, CGL Carbon, Motorola, and Toyota. The latest changes coming out for the ISO 9001-2000 standards process model seem to complete the embodiment. TQM is actually the concept that quality can be managed and that it is a process. So let's look at what is actually TQM. So TQM can be defined as total quality management, but what does it mean actually? Total means quality involves everyone and all activities in the company. So from the top management to the ground staff, everybody is involved in maintaining a good quality. So then what is quality? If you remember, quality can be defined as conformance to requirement. We can also define as meeting customer requirement or exceeding customer requirements. M is management, meaning quality can and must be managed. So in simple words, TQM is a process for managing quality. It must be a continuous way of life. TQM is a philosophy of perpetual improvement in everything we do. There are differences in TQM and ISO 9001. So if we compare TQM to ISO 9001, you can say that ISO 9000 is a quality system management standard, while TQM is a philosophy of perpetual improvement. The ISO quality standard sets in place a system to deploy policy and verifiable objective. And ISO implementation is a basis for a total quality management implementation. Where there is an ISO system, about 75% of the systems are in place for TQM. And therefore, the requirements for TQM can be considered as ISO+. In short, implementing TQM is being proactive concerning quality rather than reactive. We will learn what is proactive and reactive in quality management later on. In quality management or quality, there is always customer and supplier. And in customer, there are external customer and internal customer. The same goes for supplier, external supplier and internal supplier. Okay, historically, organizations have viewed customers as people who buy and use their products, and this is considered as external customers. But there is also internal customers who are the staff within any organization. We will learn about the external and internal supplier in the next lecture. So, what are the various important informations that modern managers need to establish in their organizations? A focused customer that encompasses both internal and external? What? Can you think about it? We'll stop here and we shall continue in the next lecture in a bit. Let's take a break.